with the Thermal King warranty, and this is a big selling point that we have to offer. So most of my competitors buy their windows from a wholesale manufacturer and subcontract the labor. The warranty comes from the window manufacturer for the parts and pieces. The labor comes from the subcontractor. Most subcontractors are required to give a 1-year limited labor warranty. And I always use this line. With subcontractors, you can have really good ones and you can have really bad ones, and you don't know which you get. And I always ask customers, have you ever heard any horror stories about subcontractors? And they almost all say yes. And I go, the reason why is because they're true. So, not to demean subcontractors or anything like that, but these are guys that usually, are paycheck to paycheck. So if they install a window north of town 50 miles or whatever, and they live south of town, and there's a problem with that window, well, they can't afford to miss a day's work to drive up north to repair this one window. So it's like, I'll get to it the next time I'm up there, and and then it's the back of their mind, and then they forget it and it never gets done. And you're like, hey, are you going to come fix this? And and they've already been paid, so they don't care. Okay, with us, we actually have a dedicated service department at Thermal King, and we do not subcontract. So we warranty both the labor and the material for our product. So if something goes wrong with the window, other than vandalism or natural disaster, like if you have seal failure, air infiltration, moisture infiltration, the window's hard to open, hard to close, doesn't lock right, doesn't seal tight, those type of things, that's warranted by us, and we come out for free. There's no service call charge or anything, and we repair or replace it because we warranty both the labor and material. And we don't just give a 1-year labor warranty like everybody else. We give a lifetime transferable warranty on the labor as well. If you look at our Google reviews, you will see that we have hundreds of reviews, and 4.6 or something like that. But you will see that a lot of our reviews are like, I was amazed. I bought these windows 12 years ago and I had a problem and they came out and fixed it and I didn't have to pay anything, or, things like that. And that's because we all are used to hearing about, I'll take care of you. And then we know that later they don't take care of you. And then when somebody actually comes out and does it, people are stunned that we did what we said we were going to do. And that's what we built our reputation on at Thermal King.